The Rocket Money app, should you even care? Let's get into it. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to Currency Count, where I cover all things money. So I've had a few people comment asking me if I'd review Rocket Money. This app here, I'm kind of confused about, because when I went on their website, I'm not too sure what it's actually supposed to be. So I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm not gonna bore you with all the details. We're just gonna cover if you need it or not. Let's go. So right off the bat on their website, Rocket Money looks like a budgeting app. Has a lot of different features here: manage subscriptions, spending insights, bill negotiation, net worth, autopilot savings, credit scores, and budgeting. So what's funny is a lot of fintech banks nowadays have a lot of these features. So what are these guys selling? What's their selling point and how much does it cost? So I went ahead and set up an account to get some more information here. And when you set up an account, you are gonna have to link a checking account. One thing I don't like about this app is that in order to use a lot of the features like the bill negotiator and the subscription manager, you have to give them access to your account information, meaning your user ID and your password. I mean, they are asking you for a lot of information. Yes, it is optional. You don't need to provide it, but they're asking for credit card information. They're asking for subscription information. They're asking for utility information. They're just asking for basically all your finances. And that's just something I'm really not willing to give up, no matter who the company is. Yes, Rocket is a reputable company. This app is fairly new, but they've been around for a long time with Rocket Mortgage. So they're not a fly-by-night company. But on the flip side of that, one of the features of this app is that you can track all your spending if you do link everything. I did give them access to one of my checking accounts just so I can get some more information here. And what's cool is when you open the app, you can keep track of your spending. You can see when your next bills are up. See right here, it says I have a Lowe's credit card payment due tomorrow and a water bill due in 7 days. So if you have a lot of bills, you have a lot of different things going on. These three right here, 1, 2, 3, I didn't link them, but Rocket recognized them as an ongoing payment because I linked my checking account where I make these payments from. Even right here, Capital One, I have Affirm, I have Chase, all these different payments. So in that sense, especially for being free, this part of it, I would say it's worth a try, right? If you don't mind linking a bank account. So it tells you how much net cash you have, how much credit card debt you have, this is incorrect, and how much you have in your checking account. So you can add savings and investments. If you do have investments, it's gonna ask you to link them, and that's something I'm just not willing to do. It's gonna show all your reoccurring payments right here. And yes, I do have Discovery Plus streaming. Don't judge me. You have a graph here that shows your finances for better understanding your income, bills, and spending. And this is nice because it's free. There's other apps out there that charge you for the same service. So let's go to premium here and see what this is all about. So you get unlimited budgeting, credit score and full credit report, cancellation concierge, smart savings, real-time sync, shared accounts, premium chat, and data export. Also included, link accounts and balance alerts. How much does this cost? Pay what you think is fair. Let's see if we can do a custom amount here. 0. Nope, minimum is $3. All right, so you can pay as little as $3 a month, billed yearly at $36. So right off the bat, you're gonna be charged $36. And you have a 7-day free trial and you can cancel at any time. But $36 for what though? Unlimited budgeting, credit score and full credit report, you can get that anywhere for free. Cancellation concierge, basically somebody that's gonna cancel your subscriptions for you. Looking to cancel a subscription, start a cancellation. If you'd prefer to cancel yourself, choose from the option below. So if I were to have the premium service, I can just cancel right here and it'll cancel it for me. But to save 36 bucks, I do it myself. Smart savings, which basically means they're gonna take a piece of your paycheck when it comes in and they're gonna put that aside. And you can pretty much get that anywhere. Chime has that, Albert has that, Dave has that, and those are all free. And if you wanna claim a free $100 by doing nothing else but setting up a new bank account and following a few simple steps, try Chime. When you click the link in my description, you'll make $100 just by opening up a new bank account. All right, back to this. Real-time sync basically means it's gonna show you your transactions in real time. All other banks, pretty much, if you have an app, has real-time sync. Shared accounts, we'll see what that is. Premium chat, I wouldn't think you have to pay for that. To get customer service, you actually have to pay for it. Not a good look. And the ability to export data. You shouldn't have to pay to export files. Okay, not looking good. Let's go back to free and what else we can get with the free feature. Another cool free feature here is the calendar. It's gonna show you what bills you have, what money you have going out, what money you have coming in, all laid out right here. So if you see right here on the first, I got 220 bucks. Where did I get that from? Impact Radius. Okay, I have 15 going out on the 6th. I have 5502 going out on the 12th. That's from Spectrum. I got payments going out. I got payments coming in right here on the 22nd. It's actually telling me how much I spent where it was, and what date. If I go forward here, it shows me estimated what I'm gonna pay on what date, which I think is a nice feature to have. But it looks like that's all we're really doing with Rocket Money, is using it as a budgeting app. I wouldn't go for the premium because I can save $37, $36 here and have all these features on other apps that are free, or do some of these features myself, like manage subscriptions and bill negotiation. So as a free budgeting app, get it. Doesn't hurt to have, but as a paid subscription, I'd pass. There's another budgeting app that has a lot of these same features that are free, Meet Clio, which I've also done a review on, which has a free feature and it also has a paid subscription feature. But on that paid subscription feature, you have access to a payday advance. So between the two, if I'm paying, I definitely choose Meet Clio. But for a free budgeting app, this is definitely something to look at. I hope this video could help you out. Don't forget to claim your free $100 by clicking the link in my description to sign up for Chime. Thank you for watching. Check you on the next one.